All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got a new case in and been using this for maybe four days or so, or since last week or so. And this is a case that it comes in. And I've obviously worked with this brand before, and they sent over a nice leather case for me to review for the iPhone, like they do every year. And this case comes in such a premium box, man. I think that right there, I appreciate the company in itself. Now, pricing on these is not going to be like the Apple cases. These cases are obviously pocket friendly, and you won't break the bank by buying these cases. But just be sure to check the links in the description. No kickbacks to me or anything, just a promotion of the product with an unboxing and first impressions and things like that after almost a week or so. But I love their presentation. I like companies who take pride in their boxes, because I know this is a lot of material for the box, the case that you're just going to probably toss this. I personally keep a lot of these boxes, and that's just the thing. I don't know, I like to keep things in pristine condition when I'm not using them, but this has actually been the only case, this and the Rinky case. These are the two cases that I've been using. So these come in multiple colors, but obviously, one thing I didn't mean to say obviously. One thing I wanted to point out is that they're selling out fast. To my surprise, they sell a lot of these cases. And this is just a nice genuine leather case. So on the back here, you've got some branding there again from the company. And on this side here, you've got the power button that is obviously kind of poked out there for you. Same thing with the volume rocker. The vibrate mute switch is open. The camera obviously is recessed. And then you got that same branding inside. And then you got that soft touch velvet feel. And then the rest of the case is pretty simple. When you put your phone in here, these phones look fake if you don't ever. Remember the guy with the iPhone mini video? People thought that video was fake, but no, it was a real. The phones look really fake if you don't kind of touch them. It's really good. So you pop on your phone here, and you get, now the camera is recessed a little bit. So I think that's pretty important. So wireless charging, anything, all the functionality of the phone is not hindered in any way by using this case, just so you know that. So this is really nice. I really like it. It feels really good. I do have a tempered glass on here, so it works perfectly fine. It's friendly with tempered glasses that are not made by the company. And this is it, man. So you got the bottom open down here. And obviously the sides and everything are covered. The vibrate mute switch is perfectly positioned, so it's not too hard to get to. And when taking photos and everything, the phone operates fine. There's no problems with flash or anything like that. It's just an all-around good case, man. And I think it feels really good. And that is why I've been using this case over some other cases that I have. Just this case and the clear Rinky case are the only two cases I've really been using. This one actually more than the other Rinky case. I just like how it feels. But there it is, man. Nice case for you guys. Official leather case. Not an Apple branded one though, but this is a legit company. I've been working with them over the years, and I think their cases are really legit. So there's links down below, or just search this name right here and then put iPhone 12 by it, and you'll see cases for not just iPhone 12s, but plenty of other phones out there. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.